We're 6 hours away from, as you can see, Everest Base Camp. We're currently at 5,030 meters, 16,100 feet. It's pretty high up. We've been eating a lot of like spicy noodle soups. That's been our go-to because at higher elevations, just the flavoring isn't there. The oxygen is very thin here. Me personally, I have a struggle with that even on normal sea level elevation. So that, whew, as you can tell, I'm already struggling with breathing. Just even talking, it's harder to think up here. The most we'll go on these hikes is about probably 7-8 hours. You know, find something, what we call it in the motivational world is like the carrot and the stick, right? For me, this is a carrot, meaning I'm chasing after something that I want to accomplish. I'm sorry, my hands are getting really cold and numb at this point. So find something that you want to go after and chase it. Chase it, by far the hardest day so far. But we're up here. Weird. But it's been windy, it's been cold. We've been hiking a lot, but look, we're almost at our destination. The stick would be something painful, so associate something that's painful that you don't want to relive ever again. So for me, it's maybe, you know, helping out my family because they've been struggling since a very young age. They came from Mexico at a very young age, and you know, they struggled up to this point. So for me, it's to see them not struggle and to see my future family not struggle. So that's kind of the stick that gets me going. So for me, Everest right now is my carrot. I want to hit this because I know that this is going to help me in the future to just tackle any challenge. So find that within yourself, and I know you guys can do great things in life. So I'll see you from almost Everest Base Camp. I'm out. My hands are about to get frostbitten or frostbite. All right, we're almost at Everest. How much longer till Everest Base Camp? This is it. What the? Whoa! No, anticlimactic. So we reached Everest Base Camp. Woo! Thanks to Nemo right here.
Hello,
Yeah.
Everest Base Camp 5,500.
We reached Everest Base Camp, baby. Woo! Look at this. Beautiful. Everest is actually right above that over there, that mountaintop. But we did it. We freaking did it. It feels amazing. Oh my God. That was a struggle, but we made it happen, folks. All right, we made it to Everest Base Camp with this guy, the one that made it all happen. What's up?
What's up, dude?
Thank you so much, man, for putting this together. Thanks.
Woo!
We're waiting for a helicopter to come pick us up right now with our bags. This is a pretty cool adventure. Can't wait to do something like this again in the future. Beautiful. We're over here. Hey, buddy.
Thank you guys. Salud. Cheers.
Cheers, buddy.
Cheers.
All right, buddy.
Ruby.
Cheers.
Very good.
Orange.
That's a red ale.